Hi everyone, today we're going to make burgers. So I just took some bun, toasted it with some butter, and uh, then it's crispy. So just take them. And I have this beef patties. I bought this from Walmart. So I'm going to cook them now. So I'll take 2 patties at a time. Just put it on the grill. So just put them on my pan, take off the paper, and just leave them right there. I would say 5 minutes each side, and I would put on a lid and cook them so that they get cooked thoroughly all the way inside. I put the flame to a medium. So while you cut the onions for the grill, just try to cut thin slices so that it's easy to get a good bite with all the onions and everything. So I would say that is enough. And also tomato, try to do thin slices. So for 2 of us, I think that's enough. I like to shred the cabbage. Just long cuts. Sorry, this is lettuce. Sorry. And keep them aside. Okay, now wait. So at this point, I would put the lid on so all the juices remain inside and get cooked. Okay, at this time, let's slow down the heat, and you can see that it's the red part of the meat is almost became brown part, so it's time to flip. Okay, so let's cook the other side also for 5 minutes. Okay, now you can see it's almost cooked, and you can see the charred marks on the patties. It's time to add cheese. Once you add the cheese, let it cook on maybe number 3 or number 2, like very low flame for the cheese to melt in. During that time, let's build our burgers. For that, I have all my vegetables here. I have mayo, ketchup, and my toasted buns. So I'm going to apply some mayo. And you can see our cheese getting nicely melted. So I'll take one of the patties and place it on top of my bun. Take the other one, shake off excess oil, and place it on the bun. Now let's start to build. I would start with some onions, some tomatoes, and then some shredded lettuce. And then add some ketchup on the other side of. I like to add some relish as well. Yeah, that's it. And it's time to close our burgers. So here you go. delicious burgers ready.